Yan, it's Tuesday, 6:34. We're gonna try the nakalagay sa Denny's restaurant. Kids eat free. I think it's 10-year-old below, but we'll see. Yeah, it runs from 4 in the afternoon until 10. So we're gonna see what their menu is like. Yan ang Denny's dito. Katabi ay Sandman. Say hi to the vlog, Roy. Kids eat free. I told Roy they're gonna eat him. So this is their menu here. Great Canadian slams. Mostly breakfast. This one. That's your kids menu. Oh yeah. Okay. It's chicken tenders, junior grilled cheese, junior cheeseburger, junior French toast, junior grand slam. This one got egg bacon, or the chicken tenders.
Maybe I'll do a grand slam. Maybe.
Huh?
I might do a grand slam.
Grand slam? Junior
Yeah.
grand slam? Okay.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah. Yeah, free refills on the hot chocolate.
Any drinks I can get for you guys?
Hold on. Let me just give a
need some
few
time.
minutes. Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Thank you. Sorry.
So what about here?
Where's your menu? This is your menu. Yeah. Drinks.
What about this?
Or banana.
Strawberry banana.
Okay. All right. Okay. What's that smell? Oh my god. It's too strong.
Oh yeah.
Ito in-order ko eh. T-bone steak and eggs. $24.99. Tapos si Bunso, Junior Grand Slam. Yun yung free. Tapos meron siyang smoothies. Take a fun kit included with everything. Okay. Yan. May manual system na hindi raw na input. Kasi meron na kaming minauna kami dito sa yung kumakain na sila. Kami naghihintay pa rin. We finally got it. The steak. So we're hungry. Yeah. Yeah. Busog.
You want to pay cash or card?
Credit card.
Would you like your seat, sir?
Yes, please. Thank you so much. You too. Yeah, bye-bye. Yan mga kabayan, magkano tayo? Course. Mag-iba kami ng sa phone yung pag login ng service call. So may bagong from SAP, ServiceNext, parang ganun. GCS dati, SAP. Yan, babaguhin na. Yan, kain tayo ng $12.95 to eh. Plus tax. Ano ba to? Pad Thai. Yan. Liit lang pala. Na tayo, summertime na. So, kahit alas 8 na, 8:20. Mataas pa rin ang araw. Pero pababa na yan. Kasi na-reach na niya yung peaking first day of summer. Yung summer solstice. Yan, tapos mag-basketball tayo habang maganda yung araw. Kasi lately mulan, which is good naman dahil para wala masyadong forest fire. Yan, maganda yung sa paghinga natin. Yan. Kayo ba? Anong favorite summer activity ninyo dito sa Canada? I'm sure sabihin nyo pag nasa Pilipinas, syempre punta ng beach. Dito may mga iba-ibang summer activities like camping. Yan, punta sa mga lake pag nasa loob ka ng interior BC. Fishing, masarap din yung ano ka lang sa nature. Kaso yun nga, kalaban mo yung dito sa North BC, mga lamok. But yan, ganun talaga. Pero lilipat tayo sa ano, no, sa lower mainland. So sabi nila wala masyadong lamok, hindi kagaya dito, malalaki yung lamok, parang mga dinosaur din. Yun lang, nasanay tayo. Pero ngayon ano natin, ayaw ko na ng snow, at saka which is very mas common ng snow sa Canada, right? Pero simula nung na-trauma tayo sa aksidente natin, parang may trauma nga. Makat, ang daming lamok, nakagat. Yan, mag-shooting tayo habang ano, mainit pa. Tapos enjoy tayo sa araw. Hindi tayo masyado nakapag-upload na dahil ano, pag busy ka sa work, parang na-drain na yung energy mo ba. But hopefully we'll going back to mag-upload. Ayan, para may update din para sa mga pamilya ko sa Ontario. The Balan family. Yan. Woo. Did you get bitten by a mosquito, Roy? Did you get bitten by a mosquito? I got bitten by a mosquito. Right now. It's itchy. Lately falling. I don't know how to shoot anymore. You guys play basketball at your school? Outside?
Today we played
Baseball? Catch? Catch? Or batting? That's good. Yeah? See that? Hey, back. If you shoot it, you should be back. If you make it. So you don't get the momentum back. Back. Wanna play graduation? Okay, you start there. This is graduation, grade 1. How many times for grade 1? 2 times? One more. Yeah. Grade 1. 2 times. Grade 2. One more time. Try again. No. Back to grade 1. Then after that, grade 3, you go grade 4. Stay. Grade 2. Grade 3. Grade 4. Grade 5. One more try. Now you're back to grade 4. Grade 1. Grade 2. One more try. Oh no! Oh, grade 2. Grade 3. Huh? Yeah. Oh, one more. One more try. Grade 4. One more try. I'm back to grade 4. Good grade 4, right?
Yeah, I'm grade 4.
Grade 5. Jesus. Grade 6. Shoot. Grade 4. One more try. Five. One more try. Back to grade 4. You're back to grade 4 again. Grade 6. Back to grade 4, man.
How was it?
In and out. I'm gonna do 3 in a row. Four. Grade 4. Grade 5. Grade 6. Ah, one more. Grade 4. Para sa inyo to. Ayos na. Ayun talaga. Ang daming lamok. Nakakainis ang lamok. Yan, bili tayo ng souvenir na gusto ko yung British Columbia o kaya siguro may Canadian na para sa bahay. Pasalubong sa mga ating bibisitahin sa United States of America. Yan. So ngayon summer is taking off. Tapos yan, mas maganda magstay sa Canada pagka summer, lalo dito sa North BC dahil yun nga, very conducive ang weather dahil nga naka-ano ka lang, t-shirt ka lang. Sa gabi medyo kailangan mo ng hoodie or sweater kasi malamig din. So yan, magagaling tayo doon, punta tayo pala doon, tapos balik tayo, ano lang na, couple of days, 5 days. So 4 days actually, 3 days kasi ano lang eh, July 1 hanggang 5. So yun enjoy natin. Sabi ng pinsan ko si Michael na ano daw, very hot daw pagka ganun July kasi parang ano rin yan, West US parang ano rin yun, desierto yan, kaya kailangan nating mag-adjust. Kailangan natin ng t-shirt lang tsaka shorts. Kailangan ko pala ng shorts. Kailangan ng shorts. Mag-ipake na tayo. Ayan. Kaya magandang pasalubong iniisip ko yung mga yung tawag nun, yung mga ano rito ng mga native. So kaya sa ata meron sa information center, tourist center. I'm thinking, yeah, so pwede ako dun. T-shirt, kaso t-shirt $35. Tinanong ko nga yung cup, ganun din, nasa $35. So mahal. So pwede magdala ng salmon na jerk salmon, parang gano'n, o yung dry, wala atas lang yan. We'll see. Yan, hindi ko pala nailagay ating mic. So yung previous bago nito walang mic, ito may mic, so mas clear ata. Tsaka yung mga road noise, pag may mic ka, hindi niya masyado dahil manggagaling dito ang source Pag yung sa unit mic, manggagaling malayo. So around ng surrounding nun is dun niya mapipick up yung sound. Dito, mapipick up niya yung sound ko sa nanggagaling dito sa bibig ko. Yan. Bibig, hindi bunganga. So, ang travel din is a good way of learning things. Hindi lang dun kung saan ka. In a way, yeah, widens your perspective, right? Hindi lang yun ang alam mo. Kasi once na naging comfortable ka doon sa isang place, parang yun lang ang alam mo. Parang ayaw mo na, human nature is ayaw mo na talagang umalis, right? But hindi mo alam, may mga side pa pala outside of your world or your own inner world na kailangan mong matutunan or ma-experience para sa kalawakan ng iyong pag-iisip. Kasi say out of almost 8 billion people in the world, kung alam mo lang is 2 to 3 people in your inner circle, maximum 6 or 10, whatever. Yeah, yun lang ang alam mo, but you don't know the perspective of other people. So mas maganda kung ma-experience mo rin outside of your inner circle, right? So yun gagastos ka nga lang, but it's an investment. So right now, yung mga naisip kong travel, mapuntahan, it's an investment to myself. Kung may mga makikita kang prospective investment, say, pero sa States, as a Canadian, Pinoy Canadian, mahirap mag-invest, but may mga things na I think real estate that you can invest and then move over. Parang ganun, nakikita ko sa Facebook. We'll see. But yeah, we're trying to do yung FIRE, retire early. Yan. Sa mga wala pang more than 55 or 60s. Yan. So we'll have a look here. Old Navy. You know what? San Francisco na to eh. Huwag na lang yan. Very generic para sa kanila yan. Ito pa yung parking lot dito sa North BC. Prince George, hindi masyado puno pag weekends. Sa mga, I guess, pagdating sa Lower Mainland, puno na yan ng ng mga souvenir. Canada Hat, $12.97 each. This one's $14.97, $15, $14, $14.97, $16.97 pala to, mahal. Mas mahal yung specific. Yan, $16.97. In total was 85. Yung gastos, GST is 4.09 and PST is 5.73. Wow, 91.67 altogether. Wow, mahal. Pa nakakalis almost $100 na agad ang natenga sa'yo. So Canada and South Africa pala ngayon ang maglalaban. It's Sunday, June 28. Ang temperature is 24 degrees. Ewan ko bakit ako ganito. Kasi medyo malamig may AC kasi sa loob ng Walmart. Kaya nag-AC. Kaya nagsuot tayo nito. But tinabad na ako tanggalin. So dito na muna. Yun. So yan ang travel natin is going to landing to muna tayo. Prince George to Calgary to San Francisco. Mga almost 2 hours tayo sa Calgary as stopover. Expedia ang ginamit kong travel, pang ano ko ng travel round trip. May points kasi. Although pag Google ka, makakatipid ka, but it's better na meron kang points na pwede mong i-use up for the next travel. At least na ano mo rin dun, na kumbaga natatrack mo dun yung mga travel itineraries as parang ano na rin, diary mo. Meron ngang creator travel na link na pwede mong ilagay, but I have to figure that out. Yung affiliate link you can use up for your travel. So yeah, Expedia has that, and I have the Amazon affiliate link too. Wealthsimple. So lahat is digital, going digital. So you should be able to, traditional bank you can also have it, but take advantage of the digital bank that's coming up, like Wealthsimple, PC Bank, PC Financial, Simply, yan yung mga high interest savings account. Sometimes it'll be more than up to 3% and 4%. I've seen one at 2.25% sa PC Financial money account, our savings account. Then meron dalawa, checking is money account and then savings account, but you have to, yung liquidity is meaning you cannot withdraw it after 10 days ata pa, or sometimes 30 days. Yung sa EQ din, EQ Bank, but I think EQ is getting bought out by PC Financial. I just read about it. Tapos yung sa Wealthsimple, they have 2.25, I think, up to 2.25, 1.75 if you don't have a premium, and then it goes up to 225, and it goes plus 0.5 if you do your direct deposit to the Wealthsimple checking account. And you can put nicknames on your checking account, so that way it's this thing, right? It's labeled, so you know where your money's going. You get to plan it. Your retirement is also, like, I'm in my early 50s, but I'm trying to plan it now. So maxing my TFSA, trying to max my TFSA, contribute every pay from work, and then that way you can retire early. So trying to move down south, Lower Mainland, which I got after a long fought with the union also, kasi our company didn't offer it to me until we put a grievance in. So like we're paying union dues as a premium, so it's like you're paying a home insurance, but once you claim it, you didn't get anything, but you're paying it, right? So ganun din yung ang premium for union dues. Like, there's a collective bargaining agreement that you should follow, and then you have to follow it. Pagas na tayo na gano'n na, nag-low fuel na pala. Dapat nagpunta pala ako ng tawag nito, sa Costco. Nadaanan natin, napatapos natin nadaanan, saka siya low fuel. So yan, nandito na muna for the next update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga videos. Now, tayo ng ating World Cup. Good luck sa Canada against South Africa.